Good morning and welcome to the Microsoft Teams training video number 2 on how to master the video call. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to join your Microsoft Teams video call, you can go onto your screen in Microsoft Teams, click on the button in the upper right hand corner that says Meet. There's a little camera on it, and you can join the call that way, or there's two other options. If you're on your Teams screen and you're in the Post category up above here, you will see that there's a blue taskbar that says Meeting Now. Click on Join, and that will bring you into the meeting. The other way you can get into the meeting is by clicking on the calendar for the time and date of your class. Click Join, and you'll enter into the meeting. Once you're in the meeting and the call has started, you will notice several things. On the right-hand side is the participants in the meeting. We're going to go over this in a minute. On your screen at the bottom, you will see a control box. These are your controls for your meeting, including how to mute your mic, how to mute your video. Some additional options I'll show you: a raise your hand function, a chat feature, and the list of participants. When you're done with the call, this is how you hang up. In the participants section, you'll see on the right-hand side, there is a bar at the top where you can invite additional students to the meeting. If you notice a student isn't in the meeting yet, you can remind them by typing their name here and clicking Enter. You'll see that the organizer or teacher is listed at the top, and then the students are listed at the bottom. You'll see here that I've pressed the raise your hand function because I have a question. This is how you can notice if students need to ask a question. Also, in order to take attendance, you can go to the participant list. At the top, you'll see the 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots, and you'll notice a drop-down menu that says Manage Permissions or Download Attendance List. This is a quick and easy way to keep track of your attendance for the rotation. In the control box that is down in the front of your screen, there are many functions. If you click on the 3 dots, you will see the following functions pop up. It says Show Device Settings, Show Your Meeting Notes, Enter Full Screen, Start Recording, End the Meeting, or Turn Off Incoming Video. The chat function is helpful when engaging in academic discourse with students. Teacher and students alike can ask questions right here in the chat function on the right side of your screen. It's helpful to have a designated student to answer some of the questions. There could be tech questions, questions about the content or about the lesson, in which case you can go back and see the printout of the chat so that you can help those individual students that are struggling. The next feature I want to show you is the Share Your Screen feature. If you press on this, you will have many options as to how to share your screen. I always suggest the first option, which is your desktop window. This will enable you to share PowerPoints, documents, assignments, and videos. So click on that. And for this time, I had a PowerPoint on my screen. So the PowerPoint comes up in the screen, and you'll see at the bottom, if you want to stop sharing your screen at any time, there's a blue button that you press. You can also choose the whiteboard feature for sharing your screen. When you click on the whiteboard, Both students and teachers can access this whiteboard at the same time. So you can call on students to do math or demonstrate learning of a concept by making a diagram or something like that. Just a rule of caution, like I said, students can use this whiteboard, so make sure you lay ground rules for using the whiteboard. And again, if you have any questions, please call the Student Help Desk at 457-3939.